Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing the Creekview model by Pulte Homes. The Creekview can be found at many of Pulte's Southwest Florida communities. This home here is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. You're going to get almost 2,500 square foot. Let's walk in and take a look at this beautiful layout. So as you walk inside the entry, directly to the right here is going to be your first guest bedroom. Nice sized window up front here to allow for plenty of natural light. And then you've got the bypass doors here for your closet. And this piggybacks right off of the guest bathroom here. Now, a nice part about this setup here is there's a pocket door right here. So you can close this off right here, have a nice little guest suite for your guests. This flex space here is turned into a den. So this is the den option that you have in this home here, as opposed to a flex space, which essentially makes this a 4-bedroom plus den home. Now, on the left side here, you've got what's called the closet storage in lieu of the Pulte Planning Center option. So you've got an extra storage closet here, sitting area right off the garage, which is right here with your 3-car garage. Now coming back out, you're gonna see the main great room area here. Really awesome great room space. Open kitchen, huge corner pantry. And this all opens up really nice to your entertaining areas here, as well as your dining space. And this all overlooks your pool area, which we're gonna get to here shortly. But first, we're gonna walk right past this great room here and visit the remaining guest bedrooms and guest bath. You've got one guest bath here with the combination tub and shower, the commode. On the opposite side of the guest bath, you have your indoor laundry with utility sink and additional storage. And then you've got your remaining 2 guest bedrooms here as well. There's 1 and there's 2 here. And last but not least, we have the master bedroom back off the great room here. And as you come into the master, you'll see that you've got a really nice space here. That's a king-size bed. You've got access out into the lanai area, as well as the large window space to allow for lots of natural light in this home. And then you've got the master bath here, shown with the soaking tub, standalone shower. You've got a nice window in here again, plenty of natural light. You've got your water closet and your clothes closet here, really nice sized clothes closet. And last but not least, we have the outdoor living space here. So coming out to the covered lanai area, really nice sized covered lanai. And this all overlooks your pool here. All right guys, so this is the Creekview by Pulte Homes. If you're interested in this home, we can help you find this floor plan in many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. Guys, this is Roberto with Pinnacle Property Group, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch.